Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an unboxing of something that I found on Amazon. It was an inexpensive free floating fidget. It was only $26, so I figured, hey, what the heck, why not? Why not try it out? And then I'm going to compare it to the other free-floating fidgets that I have and see if it is any good for the price. Alrighty, so it is called Stonestar, a metal brick fidget. Yeah, so let's see if it's any good. For $26, I figured, why not? And then I'll let you guys know if it's worth it to give it a shot. $26. There was actually a 20% off coupon. Also, why can't I do this? Whatever. Wow, that's sparkly. Okay, so you get a really sparkly box with it. That's kind of cool. That sells me. Well, I already bought it, so. I'm just going to tear it open. I wanted to see. Why do I struggle? Oh my god, it's right there. My whole life is a struggle, guys. Alright, so you get this, whoa. You get this really sparkly box with it, and it says push. It lies, it's pull. Okay, so you get very sparkly box and a Teflon sticker, and then here is the slider encased in this little thing, plastic. Huh. Okay, so that is interesting. I haven't really seen that presentation before, but so that's kind of cool. You get your little Teflon sticker, and you get your metal brick slider. So this is the metal brick slider. It's kind of nice looking. So there's actually 3 colors. You can get it in black or silver or gold. That sounds nice. I got it in black because I like black. Wow, it's actually, movement is smooth. Alright, so you get it with, it comes with one side already Teflon taped, and then the other side is not. But it actually, the movement, that's not bad. Wow. For $26. I'm amazed. It's a 3-click. Damn. I could just keep playing with this. And I will after the video. It's a little crunchy. Alright. So it is, let's see, the size of it is about 29.7 or 29.7 millimeters on one side. Doesn't really fit my leg box in. 45.7 millimeters on the other. So it, let's see, where am I judging both? So 45 by 30. Let's just do that. Make things easier. Ish. 45 by 30 ish. Let's see how much it weighs. Damn. I am a fan of this $26 little thing. So it is about 83 grams. So 83 grams-ish. Yeah. 83 grams. While I have this out, let's compare. So I have the wrapped with brass inserts. That weighs oh, come on. What is going on? 100, what? Okay, let's do this again. That weighs about 100 grams. And then I've also got another free floating slider. This is the titanium rail. That's about 67, 68 grams. And then I've got this, it's really cute TQ EDC free floating slider. That's about 26, 27 grams. Alrighty then. I like how these all stack up. So let's see how this is set up. Let's see, what do I need? To get into this thing. Okay. Is this right? Okay, so let's on a previous video I had quite the magnet mishap, so let's not have that happen again. See what's inside of this thing. Are these magnetic screws? They are. Alright, so this is what it looks like on the inside. So that's pretty cool. It's got just 8 large magnets. Let's see, we can remember the setup of the wrapped. So this is the setup of the wrapped compared to, oh god, let's not have the magnets attract each other. So setup of the wrapped compared to, give me that back. Ooh, stay in there. So, setup of the wrapped compared to this one. The Stonestar. So, pretty neat. I guess that's a good setup. It works. I'm liking it. Put the screw back. So this Stonestar is, if you're looking to get into any kind of free-floating fidget and you don't know what to get, I I recommend this Stonestar one, man. It's good. You got 3 colors to choose from, like I said: gold, silver, black. Another reason that I chose black was, black seems like, the easiest, or the most likely to have any kind of mishap, like painting mishap, or like, whatever. And then I could show that here, so that if you guys wanted to get, one that was painted black, you could see that maybe it's not a good option, but it you know, it actually turned out pretty well. So yeah, it's now I gotta find the other piece. Where did I put the other half? Hang on, guys. I think I just lost it. Hold on. Okay, I am back. It was, the other half was stuck to the other fidgets. These guys that I had set aside, because they all like to pile up. And it had just made a big old pile, that other half. Alright. So yeah, that is, I think that's it. I, open it up. Oh, wow. And, even the pinching isn't that bad because it's a heavy one. So yeah. That's it, guys. I highly recommend it. For such an inexpensive little guy. It's a good one. Ow. I say as it pinches me again. But that just kind of happens. Wow. So, I hope you guys like this video. I hope... sorry, my dog is in the background being noisy. I hope it was informative. I will put the link in the description of where to find this. It's just on Amazon. But yeah, I'll put the link in the description. So yeah, please like the video, please subscribe, comment on your thoughts of this, and I hope that you guys have a great day, and until next time, thanks guys, bye.